discharge cargo with commingle. Commingled discharging refers to discharging different grades of cargo together in a designated ratio as instructed by the receiver. Any queries or doubts regarding commingled discharge should be addressed to the berth master via the local agent or NYK operator. Discharging operation must follow the agreed sequence. Grade of cargo and quantity to be discharged in the sequence must be observed strictly. When commingled discharging operation is suspended, ensure the tank valves are closed so as not to mix different grades of cargo. According to the progress of the discharge, there will be a big difference in the oil level among the tanks that is discharged due to its mixture ratio. It will be difficult to maintain the required discharging rate if there is a large difference in oil level among the cargo tanks that are being discharged. In such cases, the best action will be to observe the agreed sequence of the commingled discharging.